Let me tell you, why even play with possible color damage when all you gotta do is pick you up a wig? That's it. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I am checking out another wig from Janet Collection. This is the Natural Yaki Texture Natural Me Blowout HD Synthetic Wig. This one, her name is Willow. Now, as you can see right off the bat, what got me was the color combo. Y'all, look at this beautiful mixture of colors that will get you right just for the summer or any part of the year. The curls got me also. Now the length, y'all, this is pushing it for me, this length, but you know what? I wanted to try something new, so I went ahead and purchased this particular wig from Elevate Styles after watching another video from KLAIYI. Yeah, she'll get you. So go ahead, if you haven't subscribed to her channel, make sure you do that. And getting back into this wig here, as you can see, you know, it's nice and airy. We have the two combs in the front, we have a comb in the back, and we have the adjustable straps. You know, the parting area is very, very tight. There's a little bit of lace here, but back to this color. I can't even explain this color, y'all. In the back, my natural hair used to actually be this color here. Right there. And I miss that color. I cut that out. It's all cut out now, but I miss it, so I want to try it again. So this particular color is DRFF1B / Sun-Kissed Brown. Beautiful, ain't it? So anyway, let me go ahead and cover up my own hair, because we're not dealing with that today. We're about to try this wig here, and as I go ahead and make some adjustments here, I have a small head, 21 inches, so you know, that's all I really need to do. It is very snug right now, but I'm not getting a headache. I couldn't find my wig grip, and right now the way it's fitting, I'm not going to need my wig grip. So let me go ahead and get this situated on my head the best I can. Before I just let you watch, I want to take a moment and just ask, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so. I mean, it don't cost you no money. I promise it don't hurt. You're not going to bleed. It's just subscribing to my channel. So go ahead and hit that red button, subscribe, hit the notification bell for all so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And I'll just let you watch, and I'll see you at the end to tell you my final thoughts.
Keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. To my knees, keep losing sleep. I'm manic, dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late.
Okay. So clearly this wig has me smiling. Willow is just beautiful. It takes me completely outside of my comfort zone, which is something we all need to do from time to time. I love the color blend. It does have flyaways, but you know, I got them together in the end. I'm not a pro at the whole lace situation, so I did cut some more lace off so it would lay better. Cut a V in the front. You saw me use a wax stick. You saw me even use a hot comb, which never touches my own actual hair, but it will touch this wig because, again, it's a wig. You don't gotta damage your own hair. Just go ahead and get you a wig. Look at this, y'all. I feel beautiful. I really needed this. I have not been feeling the greatest at all lately. I needed some sort of pick me up, and that wig did that for me. So let me know what you think. Do you like it? Would you try this color blend? Would you try a wig this length? Would you try a wig at all? I know this is mostly a natural hair channel, but I like wigs from time to time. It's good to switch it up. So other than that, give me a subscribe for that. Give me a subscribe for trying something new, okay? Other than that, I hope y'all are having a great day, a great month so far, and I'll talk to you roses later. Bye.